Joy?
Yes, Dad. Dili, wala lang. Kanang sila na lang mapalit.
Wala, i-cancel lang ko?
Ay, wala akong kabalo.
Luoy kayo tong taxi nga naghulat diha, wala gani pag-aig kwarta oy.
Wala sa kano.
Nilakaw na lang.
I'm exhausted.
Ay, wala na taga-kwarta dita.
Ang taxi naghulat diha.
Wala taga-klite.
Wala na tagay. Duli nilakaw na lang naghulat dugay kay naghulat niya wala.
Deliver na.
Wala na bayaran ng taxi?
Bala oy ni ana ba kay gitawag ang taxi naghulat diha unya. Di niya nakay naman lang sila sa
Sakay din sa taxi?
wala.
Dili, natagain. What?
Tagaan unta to oy.
Na, dili kay
This is the motion of
na devotion.
where the first distillery was.
How are ya?
Kentucky's
How are
first.
you, Rita girl?
I'm good. And that's
Ikaw
where
na, Joy?
Yes, Daddy. Because
this is the motion of Elvis is going.
Yung
No?
ano isudlan dito sa akong mga vitamins tuto katong butilya at kapalo ko nga grapang kaya to.
let's go see naman tayo. Open the door. Let's
Oh, patongkuan. Wait, Kirkland, vitamin C.
Somebody's knocking.
It's calling you yung.
Diyon.
The motion of welcome to Christ.
Wala ka na ba tayo mo ba ng giging, no?
Oh, malaka yung.
Ay, nahi mo ni mami, oh.
Ha?
Juice na carrots o cucumber.
Wala ka nag-kiss cake dyan ba?
Ihatag iko ni JJ.
Anak ko na daay mo?
Oh, nagsugod na.
Yung ano, si Mami nagkuha.
Gina ko lukso-lukso, wala na may balas na. Lukso-lukso na mo. Kuya wag kayo ko, wala na may balas. Ato pa lalong na dito. Sige na kung lukso-lukso hangtod pagkabati na ko manay balas. Na paspas kung lukso-lukso.
Pero kabalog yun ka maginiro mi.
Oo.
Pero natagam lang ka kay law mo naman.
Natagam lang ko. Nahadlok na ko. Ako mabalik dito.
Motion of the Gold 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 Records. Ako na mo.
Man, ug makabalo to si Yuyong ibutang unta tong sa Gatling Bird, di man ko kabaloan ng kuan. Unsaon na pag tempa ako datong sa Gatling Bird nga naa kami na dito sa lami ka to dito sa suba ka. Did they'll have some bananas? Yeah. Ay. When he was born, my brother died, and then we picked him up. Chris was with us. We picked him up. He was a little baby, still nothing, and then he's the first in the photo. Was it? I'll show you.
Baby, you're my angel.
What? Post it out. Put it here. I got that in Australia. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, but I mean, so yeah, that's the time my brother passed away.
2009. Wednesday? 2009?
2009. He was born 2009. But he was so known. We have to buy him some clothes and some milk.
He's a performer, bro.
Here. Up here. Up here. Wow. High five. Hey, Mahay.
What song do you want to sing?
Air supply.
They enjoyed cleaning. They're used at home raking all the leaves.